always had little jacks, sort of like Argus jacks or anything like that, Halfords regular ones, but went for Halfords Advanced 2-ton low profile trolley jack, and it's been a godsend. Not used it on the 350Z as yet. Used it on my brother's car, the missus' car, do bits and pieces, and it's absolutely amazing. The height of it, I'll show you a quick demo. A few pumps, and yeah, that's what we're sort of looking at. It's amazing. And the handle, and also just little things like it's got these polyurethane sort of reinforced, I guess, rubber wheels, and to wheel it along, it's just really quiet compared to other jacks, so you're not making a right racket just to manoeuvre it about. It's really quiet. So yeah, it's fantastic. We'll get to it. So this one had it for absolutely forever, 8 years, never let me down, always done me proud. It still works, it's good as a backup, or if you need to for whatever reason. I'll just give you a demonstration on sort of just even the manoeuvrability of it and how quiet the new one is. So imagine I've got my jack arm in there. Yeah, and that's how they sound. And that's the difference. So you can't get over the, you know, you can't really move it much slower. Yeah, and height wise, we'll just demonstrate that as well. And I'll give you a side on view. And for most jobs, that's absolutely fine. Some jobs it isn't. 1, 2, 3, and they're about the same height. So yeah, that's the difference. Height, if that can be sort of shown. So yeah, this one absolutely fine, no issues, but treated myself for this in the sales just before Christmas, and it's the daddy. Love it.
We'll just ride around the nursery and count sheep. These days I'm afraid of me. There's fire where my heart should be. My confident core is weak. My mouth doesn't dare to speak, 'cause I've been looking too hard for something, looking too hard for something, giving it all for nothing, trying too hard to love again, love again, love again, love
All changed for another year. Yeah, the Halfords Trolley Jack was amazing. You just feel so much safer just working underneath it. It doesn't sort of rock or buck or wobble or, you know, absolutely anything. Just really good. Chuffed that I bought it. It is a lot of money, about £120 pre-sale, but they are worth it to use it. We've got 3 cars on the drive, serviced them all, brakes, the lot for each of them, and it's well worth investing in, and they're really good, and it's just so quiet in its operation, it just works flawlessly, and yeah, more than happy with it. So we'll see you for the next one.